Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to hide who you follow on X or Twitter. So let's get into it. First of all, let's find the X app on your phone screen and tap on the icon to open it. Once the app opens up on the screen, from the top left side, tap on the profile icon. It will open a sidebar on the screen. From the bottom of this bar, tap on Settings and Sport and then Settings and Privacy. In the Settings menu, open Privacy and Safety to manage your shared information on X. Open Audience and Tagging. Here you can see options to protect your posts and videos on X. If you toggle on the first option, your profile will be logged for other users and only your current followers can see it. With the second option, the videos that you share via posts or DMs will not be downloadable. And that's it. This is how you can hide who you follow on X or Twitter. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.